Hi crafties, April here from Lilac Peaches Handmade. Today we're going to make matching cupcake toppers that go with last year's light up cake topper, and yes, they're going to light up as well. As always, you know I like to begin by piecing together all of my small elements first. Once all of your top layer elements are put together, we're going to begin layering with 3mm foamies. It's crucial that we build enough height when layering to add the lights to the back. Once you've added the first offset with foamies, we're going to repeat this step again, still using 3mm foamies for each little topper. Once your second layer of offsets has been added, we're going to line the rim of the circular cutout with hot glue, and we're going to position the LED light. This time we're going to go ahead and we are going to use 5mm foamies as they give more height, and attach the final piece on the back to conceal as much of the glue and the stick as possible from the back. Lastly, we are going to add a dab of hot glue near the top of the LED light and that final cardstock layer so that it is securely in place. I really hope that you all enjoyed making these super cute cupcake toppers with me. Happy crafting, friends!